West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is all there, over there. The trees younger than the mountain, blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
Okay, how's the echo? Let me put you guys over here.
Get around her, mother's lady, strangers to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Miss the taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eye. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
How about now? Is it good?
Country road,
No, I cannot control the echo.
I hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong.
It's not bad.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
I mean, reverb is kind of normal in karaoke. Like, this is kind of reverb. I mean, I can go up and down the music, but not echo. Yeah, I cannot really control it. There's a tone that I can control, but not the microphone. And we're just gonna sing with it. Okay, this is YouTube, so we can't sing anything. We can't sing anything. Oh, they even... Papa! They even rate it. Huh. They rate it. Okay. Ocean Eyes. Okay. No. Maybe I could try a different microphone. Maybe this is a little less. Is it similar? If I sing a little bit far away from the microphone, then maybe it goes a little better. You know? Ask Steph about the echo. Or, I know that maybe if we tinker over here a little bit on this side, then we might be able to reduce a little bit of reverb, but also at the same time I don't know what's going on over there, so I will not mess with it. 没关系. Ocean Eyes? I'm not antisocial. He didn't speak English. Let's try. I wanna eat that.
For some time, echo is really loud. Burning cities and napalm skies, 50 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes, no fair. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I've never fallen from quite the side, falling into your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes. I've been walking through world gone blind. Can't stop thinking of your dynamite. Careful creature made friends with time. You left her lonely with a dynamite. And those old
Wait.
made me cry.
And maybe I can ask how to reduce the reverb. Because I think reverb is a little too strong. How to reduce reverb. Is this right?
Eyes, and those ocean eyes, no fair. You really know how to make me cry when you give me the ocean eyes.
Yeah. Okay. Let me ask. Wait for it. Hello. Can you help me reduce reverb? A little. Thank you. Hello.
Oh, this is good. This is good.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see. I've never fallen from quite the side, falling into your ocean eye.
Now there's completely no reverb. Is this better? Is this better? Oh, yeah. This is good. This is good. All right. Let's try. Let's try another time. Heck yeah! All right. Okay. I barely sang, and then it gave me 100. It's like, yeah, you're a 100 when you're not singing. Wow, I'm offended. I am offended.
I've never fallen from quite the side, falling into your ocean eyes, and your ocean eyes.
Oh, let me try this one. Lemon Tree. I don't know this song well though, but I can try. Okay, we're back.
I'm sitting here in a boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I get waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder,
Isn't it too little reverb now?
I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast, I'm driving too too far. I'd like to change my point of view. I feel so lonely, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder,
Yeah, is it okay?
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. Turning my head up and down, I'm turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see is just a lemon tree. I'm sitting here and I miss the power. I'd like to go out, taking a shower, but there's a heavy cloud inside my head. I feel so tired, put myself into bed. Well, nothing ever happens, and I wonder. Isolation is not good for me. Isolation, I don't want to sit on a lemon tree. I'm stepping around in a desert of joy. Maybe anyhow I'll get another toy and everything will happen.
Am I saying it right?
And I wonder, I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. I'm turning my head up and down, I'm turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see, and all that I can see, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree.
Guys, I think we need more reverb, isn't it? Yeah. It's a little too bland. Okay. I think I know how to. Probably a little bit of a people clap. Okay. I saw him doing a little. I don't know. Oh, there you go. I found it. I'm turning my head, I'm turning my head, I'm turning my head up and down. Okay, I think this is not bad. I got it. Alright. Wait, is it too much again? There's no middle. Okay, let me try this one. What should I try, guys? Too much again? Okay. But maybe if I sing, it might be better. Too much again. Okay, wait. Alright. I removed it. Let it go. Do owl song. Why do you guys like owl song? Okay. Fukuro. Toxic? Okay. I'll try singing Toxic after this. Baby, can't you see? I don't know if I have a baby, baby, can't you see? actually. Because, toxic I cannot really cover toxic, what is it? Thing. Oh my god. No, seriously.
Too high, can't come down. It's in the air and it's all around. Can you feel me now? With the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. Taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? And I love that you do. Don't you know that you're toxic?
I cannot do the hand spin.
Don't you know that you're toxic?
I cannot do the hand spin.
Taste of your lips, I'm alright. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. Taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? Run away. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. Taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic?
I guess I'm getting tired a little bit. My dance was amazing. Okay. Bravo. Bravo. Okay, what should I sing that song? Barbie Girl? I don't know how to sing that one. I'm a Barbie girl.